Hey guys, my name is Marlo from out of Las Vegas. Today we're going to talk about why you're getting deflated tires in the winter. This just happened to me about a week ago. Our temperatures dropped dramatically here in Las Vegas. So when that happens, the air becomes more dense, and no matter what, your tires will deflate. So if you haven't put air in your tires, you better do it ASAP, guys. So I'm the type, I don't like to be, looking all over the gas stations looking for a good air pressure machine. Most of them don't work, so I just went out and purchased one for I think like $18. But you can also find one if you got a membership at Costco. I'm sure one of those guys will be more than happy to help you guys out. But defected tires account for over 700 deaths in the United States and also 11,000 accidents. So it's optimal that you make sure you have the proper PSI in your vehicle. It's no joke, guys. So tires are your second life. If you don't have your legs, you have your vehicle. You've got to make sure your tires are on point. They cause a lot of accidents, guys. That's why I'm talking about this. So I'm going to do a demonstration with my vehicle. So here's my vehicle. It's a luxury vehicle, BMW. Most luxury vehicles like Tesla or other vehicles, they don't come with a spare tire. So what I did was my PSI dropped dramatically to 27 PSI, and my vehicle is supposed to be at 35 PSI. So you can find the PSI on your tire, or usually you'll find it right here inside your doorway of your vehicle. So as you can see, cold tire pressure, that's how important it is, 35 PSI. So I got this little gadget. I think it cost me like $18. It's a tire inflator. And they have a digital one to where you can put the proper PSI and you could just set it down and it will tell you when it's, inflated. I'll put a link in the description so you can find this cheap inflator. And I also want to talk about this new product. They've had these products in Europe. So if you get a little flat, I drive to California a lot. You see so many people stranded on the side of the road. But if you're just trying to fix like a simple hole in your tire, a simple hole, this is not going to fix a tire blowout, of course. But what you do is, it's simple, it's real cheap too. See this top? What this does is it takes off the valve stem. So they have a little tool on this bottle. You screw off the valve stem and then you connect this tube onto the top and you pour the slime into the tire, and then you use your inflator to inflate the tire and it will fix the tire. So you can go and get, obviously a new tire. So guys, I just want to go over that information with you guys. I think it's very valuable information. I just think a lot of people just don't pay attention to their pressure in their tires. Very important. One good way to find out if you have low pressure, you'll find like an exclamation mark in your dash in your vehicle. But always just check the pressure and make sure everything's good to go, guys. Be safe.